What's going on, guys? My name is Senju, and I'm a spray. What? What's going on, guys? My name is Senju, and I'm a spray paint artist. Well, today we're actually gonna be a watercolor artist. So I just bought this little set of watercolor stuff, and it's really cold outside right now, so that's why there's no spray painting going on. I only have one camera, so that's why we're only sticking to this one angle. Look how wide we can go too. Ooh. But I just got this little watercolor travel set, and I used it a little bit, as you can see. Did some little test drawing with it at one point, and I thought it would be fun to mess around with these a little bit, do a little video with this. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, if you guys would like more videos similar to like this. So now I just want to clarify this. I'm not an insanely good artist in this standpoint. I have some ink, as you can see. I do use ink every now and then, but when it comes to like sketching and like the human body, I'm not a master at that. I'm not that great. In my opinion, I'm not that great. What? I'm recording. I just got a puppy. But I didn't just get her. Had her for a while. But she's still a puppy. And she still doesn't care about my feelings. Okay, you know what? Let's do something simple. Let's just do a person. Like a face. Yeah. Let's find some references. So one struggle I have when it comes to drawing is size. Proportions, I guess. I tend to draw things a whole lot smaller than I should. Which isn't like detrimental or nothing, but it is just like a bad habit I really need to get out of. Because it's not a good habit to be in. Not at all a good habit to be in. Here's another thing I tend to mess up a little bit is the eyes. Because I tend to draw them either too close together or too far apart. Which, let me know in the comments if you guys have issues with that also. It's kind of hard, kind of difficult to play around with. The character looks kind of psychotic right now, but it's okay. We trust the process out here, right? No, I don't like that mouse. I have a very simplistic style when it comes to just drawing basic stuff like this. Like to keep it somewhat simple, nothing crazy. Erase out the eyes a little bit. Draw them a little bit proper. Add a little skin folds over there. Some eyebrows. Now I'm very loosely going over reference I have on Pinterest over here. I kind of want to bring the jaw in a little bit. See how that could look. Let's make the mouth a little smaller. There we go. I kind of like that. Now I'm gonna just mainly do black on it. Just because when it comes to stuff like this, I prefer a more black and white color tone personally. Let's fold this back like this too, just so we have a little bit more room. A little bit more room to work with. Let's start with the hair, might as well, right? Now, if you're watching this and you know 10 times more about watercolor than I do, feel free to leave some tips and tricks about it in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that. That would be so helpful. Because I do want to do some watercolor stuff a little bit more. It's a lot of fun. Now, I do want my light source to be coming from this direction. So we're going to try to make the hair a little bit more darker on this side. Ooh, that was a lot. We can make it work. We can make it work. Just spread it a little bit. Now, I know a lot of you who mainly use watercolor are 100% watching this and being like, right now, and totally understandable. Especially since I don't have my heat gun. So, we're just gonna There we go. I don't know if it cut out anything, but I'm adding red to the eyes and hope it's not doing anything bad. Alright, look at that. That's not too bad. That's not too shabby. I'm kinda happy with that. I think that came out quite nice. Quite alright. It did kind of spill over because I'm using probably not the best brush to use for watercoloring. But it's what I got, so that's what we use. So now, one more thing. Do it a little bit more basic. A little bit more basic. A little bit more my speed, I guess. Start off with a little planet, something, whatever the heck. And some very oddly shaped mountains. Let's fix that. I saw a thing that I want to try. Let's pour some water into the cap right here. Let's dip some of this in here. I saw a video of somebody doing this once, so I want to try it. Water it. A little bit more. And let's take our watercolor and just that's not working like the video. Oh no, now I have paint all in my cap. Gosh dang it. Oh wait, kinda working. Look at that. Now I don't know about y'all, but that's a planet if I've ever seen one. See if we can kind of expand it. It's kinda working. I don't got a blowgun, okay? Still a little bit wet. I want to add some of this blue. What happens if I was to take okay, we just kind of soaked up the water, made it a little bit of a stain. Kind of messed up the outskirt bit a little bit. Now, let's take our black. It looks terrible. I admit it. It looks... It's looking kind of bad. The planet. Let's still work with it a little bit. Maybe we can get something out of it. I don't know. I so did this part backwards. I wanted this part to be lighter. Let's try to get some darker black in here. Oh, dang it. My blowing technique didn't work. Not fully dry up there. This would probably be a whole lot easier with ink, but you know, this is a watercolor video for a reason. Alright, let's at least try to add some clouds. It's looking a tad bit empty up here. Top it off, let's add some little buddies. Oh, that was a little bit wet. That bird is dying. Alright, so all in all, I think we did pretty dang good. This little mountain scene right here. Planet. The planet looks like crap, I admit. I feel like that's why a lot of videos I see people use masking tape over them, over certain areas, so that way it doesn't get that expanded look like that. So I can see why they would do that. And then a little, that's the wrong page. A little character right here, which I'm really happy with that one. I'm really happy with that one. I really like that. So all in all, I think we did pretty dang good for well, pretty much a second time. For my second time doing watercolor stuff. Second/third, if you count this. That poor bird. Can you guys see him? Man is struggling in that cloud. He cannot. I don't think he's living that. I don't. And that poor planet. Wherever this mountain scene is located, they're dying. They are dying. That planet looks like it's about to explode, and their clouds turn their birds into crystals. So wherever this is at, they're dying. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very different than what I would usually make, usually with the spray paint art stuff. But like I said, it's freezing cold outside. I don't got a heater out there. I need to get a heater out there to keep me warm. I could use the heat gun. I'm kidding. I would not warm myself up with a heat gun, maybe. I know I didn't get too deep into the watercolor stuff. I know there's so much more you can do with it. Like, I just barely dabbled with colors. I really only used black and, I guess, gray in this video. But I know there's probably a whole lot more you can do and you can make with it. Probably similar to what I can do with the spray painting. So if you guys have any ideas with that on what else I can make with the watercolor, let me know in the comments. I love the way the watercolors look, especially on the character like I just showed. Or if you guys don't have anything else to say, just leave a comment of your favorite emoji. Love to see those. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new. I know most of you aren't new, but you haven't subscribed. Do it. I'm kidding. Not really. Please subscribe.